Hello, I'm Marissa and welcome again to another room tour here in Boracay. And this time I will show you the room that I got in Seven Stones Hotel. I will show you, this is their small dresser. And below that there's a small fridge and there's beer included, and pwede kang kumuha but it's 70 pesos per bottle. Alright, and this is their closet. Alright, and so there's a bathrobe included, and there's 2 lampshades, and that is our bed. So it's a really big bed, and it's a king size bed. So by the way guys, this is a superior room, and so inside their closet there's a lot of drawers below, and there's even a safety deposit box. They have a big TV here. I think this is 40 inches or 42. So this is their remote, and meron pang included na DVD player. This is their CR, and it's very big, kahit na walang bata, but napakalaki ng kanilang CR. This is their shower room. And their vanity. And that's the toilet bowl. And yes, there's a stand where you can put your clothes here. In the toilet bowl, there's a really big mirror here. We also have here a big veranda. And there's a rack wherein you can hang your clothes outside. So this is the veranda. Pero sa likod lang to, wala siyang view. But there's a small garden. So walang free breakfast dito sa Seven Stones Hotel. So this is a secluded area. Na mga malapit na hotel na nakita ko dito ay yung Levantine Hotel, Ako de Boracay, or Ako Boracay, and Palasa Hotel, Banana Bay, and Lazy Dog Bed and Breakfast, and Neo Ohana East Bay Hotel. I highly recommend this hotel, this Seven Stones Hotel in Bulabog, and I got this through Agoda, and the price is 3,270 plus pesos, and I booked 2 months before, so that's I booked in February, and you can even pay through 7-Eleven, that's cash, and if you want privacy, you can stay here in Seven Stones. So sa Station 1, 2, and 3. Yung mga adventure tour na makikita mo dito ay yung mga ganito, yung surfing na may parasail, or kite surfing. Ayan, merong na swing dito, and meron pa ako nakita grupang nagka-kite surfing. So that's it, guys. That's my room tour in Seven Stones Hotel here in Boracay. And thanks for watching, and see you on my next vlog.